Some nice improvements also made to the bathroom, including an upgraded residential height porcelain toilet. It also includes now the sliding bifold bath door design for easier access inside the bath. Overhead, a 12-volt powered ventilator fan that does include the sealed marine RV hood overhead, as with the rest of the vents and 12-volt powered ventilator fans. To ensure no rainfall penetrates the Vita and Porto if you're away, you can also leave that open as you travel. A beautiful overhead skylight provides for indirect lighting over the oversized 24 by 32 inch shower that includes a one-piece pan and a one-piece surround for easy maintenance and easy cleaning. A flexible handheld shower head allows you to start and stop the water both on the head as well as on the faucet to conserve water when RVing off the grid. Also, Winnebago's patented disappearing shower door literally squeegees the water off the shower door as you recess it to minimize maintenance, and then locks into place when it's slid back towards its storage position. A residential height porcelain toilet with a pull-out sink sprayer for easy maintenance and easy cleaning. It also features a modified elongated bowl. Continuing into the bath area, thermoformed countertops with a stainless steel sink and a single control lavatory faucet. A mirrored medicine cabinet is included in the corner area to maximize storage space. Also, many of the accessories that third-party competing manufacturers force you to go out and purchase are provided by Winnebago, including the towel hook, towel bar, tissue holder, and robe hooks. There's also a lavatory cabinet underneath for an additional waste paper basket. But a large round stainless steel sink with a single control lavatory faucet. Continuing on with the diffusers to keep that bathroom nice and warm or cool, you have diffusers down below for the low profile ducted furnace as well as the overhead ducted air conditioning system. An innovative new sliding bifold bath door then magnetically closes towards the front to lock in place.